Hey Cybertruck fans, what's up? So today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Cybertruck with this device right here. So give this video a thumbs up and stay tuned. So as you guys know, the Cybertruck gets a ton of attention in the public, and if you have Sentry Mode on, you're constantly going to be running out of storage space. So the Cybertruck comes with a standard 128GB USB drive, which is not enough. You're going to constantly run out of space. In my first week, I ran out of space pretty much. So that's why you can see the X right here, means you're out of space. Flash drive is full. So to get to that, we're going to press this, open the glove box right here. There you go, slides right out. Under here we have the USB drive. So pull that out. This is what it looks like, 128GB. Looks pretty good, but it's not a lot. You're gonna constantly run out of space on this thing. So that is why today we're gonna upgrade it using this Sabrent drive right here, which is a 2TB drive. Look at that, so tiny. It's like the size of a domino, and it's USB-C. So big shout out to Sabrent for sending me these drives. They work pretty good with the Cybertruck. I featured them in my other tech accessory videos, but they work good on Teslas, so that's why I'm showing you guys. Check it out. So the drive also comes with this nice sleeve that you could put it in. Right here you see we have it connected with USB-C, and there's a USB-A end right here. So let's go ahead and plug it into the Cybertruck. Just come back right here, just plug it in over here like that. See, there we go. Now you can just tuck it away like that and you're good to go. So once you plug it in, it should automatically start recording. If yours is not, let me show you how to fix that. Go up here in the search and you're gonna type format. So there we go, format, and hit enter, and there it is right here, format USB drive. Tap format, and that's gonna format it so it will work with your Cybertruck. Pretty sweet. There we go, it's all done. So now you're also going to have this right here in red. You should no longer have the X. So you can record and store all your Sentry Mode footage and your Dashcam footage on this without running out of space anytime soon. So this device right here is an absolute must-have. I would recommend that you get one before you take delivery of your Tesla Cybertruck. I also have one in my Tesla Model Y right there. Trust me, makes a lot of difference. You're not constantly running out of storage space. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you think, and stay tuned for more exciting Tesla Cybertruck content. Peace out.